Hello everyone. In this video I'll be discussing Boolean algebra and its theorems. Let's see what is Boolean algebra. An algebra that deals with binary number system is called Boolean algebra. And already we know that binary number system has two values, 0 and 1. Hence this Boolean algebra deals with two values, that is true and false. Here true means logic 1 and false means logic 0. And it is a very power in designing logic circuits used by the processor of computer system, and these logic gates are the main building blocks for all the circuit in computer. And if you consider any Boolean expression, it consists of literal, that is a variable or its complement. So here complement is nothing but it's a not operation. And second one, product term, literals connected by dot symbol, and here dot symbol represents the logical AND operation. And third one, sum term, literals connected by plus symbol, and here plus symbol represents the logical OR operation. In other way, Boolean algebra is a mathematical technique that provides the ability to algebraically simplify logic expression. That means by using different techniques of Boolean algebra, we can simplify the logical expressions so that we can reduce the number of logic gates required for that particular circuit. So let's consider this logical circuit. So here you can see A, B, C are the three different inputs for this circuit, and you can call these are the variables, and Z is the output of this circuit, and you can write the logic expression for this circuit, that is Z equal to BC plus AB bar plus AC bar. So here line and that variable represents the complement or not operation. That means B bar is nothing but complement of that variable, C bar complement of that variable. So now if we consider this logic expression, we can simplify this logic expression by using different techniques of Boolean algebra. So if we simplify this expression, we'll get Z equal to A plus BC, and this is the logic circuit for this expression. And now compare these two circuit. So here there are total 7 gates required for this circuit, that is 2 NOT gates and 3 AND gates and 2 OR gates. But in this circuit it requires only 2 gates, 1 AND gate and 1 OR gate, so that we can reduce the number of gates required for that circuit without affecting the functionality of the circuit. And here in this circuit, in this expression, you can see that it consists of all the terms which we discussed in the previous slide. So it consists of variables and its complement. Here A, B, C are the variables, and B bar, C bar are the complements of that variable. And product term, you can see here B, C is the product term. You can write B dot C, or simply you can write BC. And you can see the plus symbol, so this is the logical OR operator. So BC plus AB bar plus AC bar. Next, Boolean constants. We know that Boolean algebra deals with binary number system, and it has two values, 0 and 1. So 0 is false and 1 is true. Next, Boolean variables. Variables that can only take the values 0 or 1. In any Boolean expression or logical expression, it can have n number of variables, but those variables can have only values 0 or 1. Next, Boolean function. Each of the logic functions such as AND, OR, and NOT are represented by symbol as described above. So that is in the previous slide. If you consider Z equal to BC plus AB bar plus AC bar. So here Z is the function and it consists of different logical operators, that is AND, OR, and NOT. Next, Boolean theorems. A set of identities and laws. There are some Boolean laws and theorems are there. So by using those theorems and laws, you can simplify the Boolean expression.